This is a presentation of using point clouds inside a PowerCivil SS3 project. We are in PowerInroads, sorry, SS3. We'll fire up Descartes, which will add some new tools in the presentation dialog. So we'll use the keying MDL load Descartes in order to add these section tools. We'll now go to the presentation dialog, and we have a new set of section tools. So we'll create a section along the alignment. We'll give the alignment and the starting point, and then the step, which will be the step of the cross sections, 25 meters. So we'll select the extension of our cross section, both in width and in thickness. The thickness will enable us to see the point clouds with enough points. But the display settings inside Bentley Descartes will also allow us to see the project only inside the cross-section plane, the exact cross-section plane. So we'll set the cross-section view as view 2, and we'll use a third view as a guidance view in order to check if we don't miss any important part in the point cloud. For that, we'll extend the section and only recolor the point cloud, not cut it, but recolor the point cloud, so we check what we see inside the cross section. Okay, everything's set it up. So the point cloud is loading. We see that without this filter, with this cross-section tool, we'd have a lot of issues to work with the point cloud. And now we can navigate seeing the project against the point cloud. And since we are inside the model, we will be able to update the model if necessary. So we go to the section tool every 25 meters. And we move along. We clearly see in the isometric view what are the points that are seen inside the cross section. So we move along. And see we are under the bridge. And see we have an issue here with the end condition. So we can see clearly, since we are under the bridge, that we won't have any end condition here. So after checking against the point clouds, we'll be able to change the model, to update the model, since we are inside the modeling environment, which is PowerInroads Select Series 3. And we can just create an end condition exemption to take into account this bridge. So here it is. We have confronted our project against the point clouds inside cross sections, and we updated the model.